Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another problem. This one's called Are the Numbers Equal? So this problem asks to create a function that takes two integers and checks if they are equal. As you can see from the examples, is equal, 5 and 6 are the arguments, and they're not equal, so we return false. 1 and 1 is equal, so we return true, and 36, 35, they're not equal, so we return false. So let's go to the code tab. As you can see, the function is a bool. So in a bool function, we're either going to return a true or false. And the arguments are int num1 and int num2. So what we're going to do to solve this problem, we're going to do an if-else statement. So if, and the condition that we're going to put inside is if num1 is equal to num2, we are going to return true. And else, we are going to return false if they are not equal. So let's check now. And it should pass the test. As you can see, it passed all the tests. Please like the video and subscribe for more Edabit problems.